even my teacher wouldn't recognize me in person. I would recognize my teacher. That's the order of protocol. Feel it's like meeting our own children. There's nothing better than that, and there cannot be something happy. I wish I could see my teachers, and the last time I saw my teachers is when I was beaten up in school when because of and I only could hear from others that so and so is well, so and so has kicked the bucket, and so is extreme old age, and so the exercise of wanting to meet is more overpowering than the accomplishment. We must actually thank the technology for its effort to make this happen.
Sure, definitely.
Hey, Prem Roy.
Hey, Prem Roy, how are you?
Good,
My
good,
God,
good.
you look the same, man.
Good to see all of you.
Who is this?
Who is
Good.
Hi,
Good evening,
sir.
ma'am.
Wait,
Ma'am, T here.
this is always Siraj.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Good evening.
Unfortunately, we are on Zoom, ma'am. Others, we would have still tried to run away.
Saudagar, I always
Evening, ma'am.
Saudagar, I always envied this one. Who is that? Aswale, when he said he came to visit you. Nice to see you all hair gone. Huh? How are the boys?
Good, good, ma'am. How are
How are
you?
your sons? I'm fine.
What do you want to do?
As cheerful. I'm so happy to see you. Ajit, how are you,
How are
Ren?
you, ma'am?
You look the
I'm
same.
good,
You
ma'am.
haven't-
I was just telling you, unfortunately, we are on Zoom. Others, we would have tried to run away right now on seeing you.
Yeah.
Oh, hello, sir.
Richard sir has just joined. How are you, sir?
Hi, I'm fine. I'm fine. How are you all?
We're all good, sir.
Good evening.
Thank you for joining.
That's okay.
Lovely to see you.
It's my privilege.
Good.
It's our privilege as well.
Where is Sarfraz? Saudagar, where is Sarfraz? Sarfraz.
Safraz and the second one, Asif, both are in Melbourne, Australia.
Oh, he's in Australia. And the younger one?
And that those times your son was in Canada.
Your son's
Mr. Ravi in Canada.
The Warriors here.
Hi.
Warrior.
Hi.
Warrior is not in Canada. He's
Hello,
not in-
sir.
Hi.
Ravi is here. Wow.
Yeah, Ravi Vadia sir is here. Hi, sir. How are
The
you?
teachers are having a ball, I guess.
Oh, he's there. Ravi is also there.
Ravi is like Devanand, he never grows old.
How did I get the secret of your success, sir?
Ravi is still the handsome teacher. Yesterday somebody was
Ravi.
asking about Ravi.
Yeah.
He lost everything. He hasn't even lost his hair.
So Ravi,
Both the sides I have. It's two sides more.
We have nothing.
A very warm good evening to our respected teachers. Thank you so much for coming onto the Zoom meeting. It means a lot that you're here with the batch of ISP 90. Thank you so much for joining us. And of course, a big shout out to all our batchmates who've also joined the meeting. Our batchmates have had numerous reunions over the years, but tonight's meeting is something special, especially because of the current pandemic situation.
Rest of you who've just joined, a big shout to all of you, especially to people I'm seeing for the first time, right? And thanks to the teachers, we really are meeting a lot of us, a lot of guys over here for the first time, right?
Okay. Good morning. Good morning to Vaishali and Anup, and good evening to some people, and good morning to people, say Neelam Sharma and all those people. Very happy to see you all, and we teachers, we are very proud of what you have achieved in life, and I think our mission is complete, and
Totally.
I'm very happy that we could contribute something to your life. Okay, thank you. God bless you all. God bless you, and keep us in your prayers. Okay, and very happy to see Saudagar with that bald head after such a long time, and Amol Kabe, Your cranium has become innocent of hair. I don't know why. Mrs. Tekira, she looks the same beautiful Mrs. Tekira. And
Gray-haired and
Mr.
old.
Richard, not old, mom. Old, that's all in the here.
All in the
okay?
mind, yes.
No,
All
my
in
hair
the
was
mind.
right from the beginning. So,
You have
yeah. I have
80
right
plus,
from
Sekira, you have 80 plus years of experience. That's what counts.
now.
Okay. God bless you. God bless you. And I don't want to take up a lot of your time. I want to hear you people talk. Okay. Go ahead.
Yeah.
God bless you all.
Totally, sir. Totally, sir. Please, nobody says that they're old here because that makes everybody in this group grow old as well. They're all young, right? Kiki, over to you.
I don't think I have become old. Still,
Exactly.
still I want to.
We second you on that, sir.
Still I want to contribute.
We completely second you on that, sir.
Okay.
We're
Thank
still in
you.
school.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Gigi?
I think the other name for Indian school is Mrs. Sequeira.
Sure.
50 years I've spent.
Totally.
I don't think there is anybody who goes to that school doesn't know Mrs. Sequeira.
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
All right, okay. I had met many of you. All of you are doing well. I came to know because it was a big crowd last year here in Regency when all of you have come. And I'm so happy to see the teachers. I haven't met Richard, Mrs. Sekura, Saudagar, Shivaram Krishnan, all of them for a very long time. Richard, I think so many years. I'm happy to see that. And as Saudagar said, very happy to see all of you doing very well at different parts of the world. And I'm still in Bahrain. My story goes like this. 2007, I left Bahrain Indian school. And I took up as a principal in one of the Indian schools in Muscat just for 2 years. So Bahrain was always calling me back. So I came back here for the last 10 years. I'm in Cambridge International School with K-12 classes here. Not a very big school like St. Christopher, but we've got about 700 students till A level. And I'm with them and doing well here in Bahrain. And I think it's around 37 or 38 years now in Bahrain. And in my education career with 11 years in India, it's around 48 years in the teaching field.
Wow.
So my aim is to complete 50. That's it.
Wow.
And then I will think of retiring from here. And best wishes to all of you, my dear children. I still call you a children.
You look like one of us. You look like one of us. You could pass for a student right now.
All the best to my teachers, Mr. Sekura, Mr. Richard, Mr. Shivaram Krishnan, and Mr. Saudagar. I didn't see anybody else. I don't know. I missed out somebody.
To meet Mrs. Chako, who taught us civics. And
History.
ma'am, we'd like to hear from you, ma'am. It's been a very long time. Are you there? Can you unmute yourself, ma'am? Mrs. Chako? Sorry?
Chako taught us history.
History, yeah, that's
History.
true.
Sorry, yeah.
Social
Social studies.
Social studies.
I taught social studies. Now I retired. I'm having a life of retired life. How are you?
Very good, ma'am. How are you?
Ma'am, it was long time ago when there was a king and a queen.
Mrs. Chako, start
Yeah.
your video, no?
Oh, Shiva, you become so
Yeah.
fat
He's fat?
like me.
That's a sign of prosperity. Fatness is.
That is due to these 5 months. That is due to these 5 months of COVID lockdown.
Lockdown.
Oh, I'm a COVID lockdown, very difficult situation now. How are you all? My children, I like to see you all here.
But you are not starting the video. Okay.
Yeah, we can see you. Ma'am, she looks exactly the same.
Yeah.
Old school. I am old school, not new. IT world. How are you all? Mr. Richard, how are you? Mrs. Sekura?
I'm fine. How are you, Mrs. Chako?
I'm fine. And God's grace, I'm fine here.
Good. Good to see you.
Where are you based, ma'am?
In Kerala. I am in Kerala now.
Yes, Kerala. Kerala, where, ma'am?
Sir, Kerala, Tiruvalla.
Tiruvalla.
Near Kottayam. TG Matthew.
Hi, teacher.
Thank you all for this
Thank you so much.
reunion.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
I
you.
want to hear
Good to
Mr.
see you.
Richard
Good to see
and
you all.
Sakura.
My thanks to Sijo. Sijo, I remember. TG, I remember.
Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Yeah.
We met in
So
Bahrain.
thank you so much. I'll just like to step in, and I'd like to finish with the introductions. And especially because this next person that I'm introducing is someone who trained me and a bunch of energetic boys and channeled our energy into how to play good basketball.
Okay, all of you.
Hey, sir. Thank you for joining.
Thank you. Hi, all of you. Most of our students who have been introducing themselves to us, I'm not able to connect the face. I have to be very frank with you, except this is naughty Neelam, and
She's gotten worse.
oh yes, and Sangeeta, Ruella, and all. But still, I have a faint remembrance of TG. I was thinking. Then now I remember on the tracks, right? Thank you so much. I'm so happy to see Mr. Saudagar in a different figure. I haven't seen him without hair, and I haven't seen him without mustache. But now I'm so happy, Mr. Saudagar. Thank you very much for joining us, and also. I would like to say about my career. I joined in Indian school in 1981, and I was promoted as a vice principal / head teacher in the year 1997, and I got retired in the year 1999. And after my superannuation, I joined in the Al Noor International School, again in the same capacity as a vice principal / head teacher. And 2006, I left Bahrain and came down to Bangalore. And I was shunting between Bangalore to Coimbatore for some number of years. After that, I got settled down in Bangalore, where my daughter has taken up a flat for me. And with regard to my family, I would like to say you all must remember my wife, Mrs. Indra Richard, who is in the hello. Yeah, who is with the Lord in the year 2017. Now I am alone. My son is just staying with his family about just 8 to 10 kilometers away from here, and my daughter Rani is in Gurgaon near Delhi, and I am alone. I have reached my 80th year of chronological age, but my spirit is very strong because
we know that.
So, yeah.
You know the story of Caleb in the Bible.
I cook myself, and if at all you all happen to go to Bangalore, please come down to my home and taste my food. Of course, don't go to Mrs. Akira's house. She cooks better than me. Why I say that is we are staying in the same building. I am in the first floor. Mrs. Akira, Edna is in the second floor.
Whereabouts in Bangalore are you?
In Kalyan Nagar.
Kalyan Nagar.
Don't tell him, sir. He'll come for sure.
Yeah, please do. Kalyan Nagar, a place called Babsapalya. And with regard to my children,
lunch and dinner is taken care of on the first and second floor. Right?
And now I have to close my my story, and I love to see all of you. And also, I saw a different Neelam Sharma on the track, but now the track is getting afraid of her.
Sir, I'm going to be 50 next month. What do you expect?
No problem, no problem. You are 50 years young when I am 80 years young.
Sir, my son.
We should run a relay at 50.
Right, right.
Hey, you lost, Prince. You don't talk too much. You lost hand wrestling with me in Bahrain. You forgot?
Yeah.
You and Obi, both of you guys lost from me in hand wrestling.
Neelam, I'll see you. We got to finish that. Part 2 happens.
Yeah, let's do that race. I'm ready.
I'm working out now.
Thanks, guys.
And Mr. Saudagar, please convey my wishes to Mrs. Saudagar and love to all. Hi. How are you, Mrs. Saudagar?
I'm fine, thank you, sir. It's nice watching all of you and listening. It's a great
And my love
pleasure.
to your children. I think they are abroad.
Yes.
And hey, Siva.
Hi.
Hey, nice to see you. Nice to see you, yaar.
Very nice to see you, man.
Okay. And I'm so happy to see Mrs. Chak also. And thank you very much for including me in this program. And all the my prayers and blessings to all the students of 1990 batch and especially this group who has made this possible. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Our pleasure.
No.
Yeah, we share the same building, Richards and Mrs. Sakara, and we should take big files and work and keep working. And it's the work that has kept her so occupied and so healthy.
Totally.
And she believed the work next to faith, and that's why she never got tired in life. And ये लंबे रेस का घोड़ा है, in the sense that she always believed in the karma of goodness. And that's why she looks even just the same that I saw her 35 years back. And God bless you, Mrs. Sikara, and love to you and Mr. Richard.
Saudagar, you are becoming younger and younger, and your speech is proving that.
Hey, deserve your compliment.
Shivaram and Krishna and myself were always fighting who's going to be the better off, while Ravi Warrior was watching and he's the wisest.
Good to hear. So, Kira ma'am, we'd like to hear from you, ma'am. You've been silent all along. This is very unlike you.
All of you all. I miss you all. That much only I can say. You children, I remember you all very, very well. Ajit, you're my best student. Where is TG? TG?
Here I am, ma'am. Here I am.
TG, you used to live in that water garden, no? That this side.
Nearby, yes.
New Horizon, somewhere there you used to live,
What
right?
a memory.
I used to see you there. Yeah.
Strong memory, ma'am. Yeah.
Where Mr. Varia's school was there. Newbold school was there. I don't know. What was the school?
Quality
And,
education school.
I met some of you all in Pune when Ruella and Patti had invited us. Richard, myself, and who is that? Saudagar was not there at that time. Aswale
No,
was
Aswale sir was there.
Yeah.
Aswale.
So we
Hey,
met, then
ma'am.
again we met
We
in
met you
Bangalore.
again in
Sekira, Richard did not come to Pune. Aswale, Mohan Chandran, Anil
was there.
Katkod.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, you're losing the grip. Your memory is failing you.
No.
Okay, sir.
Mr. Richard, we met in Bangalore, ma'am.
There was a mix up. Actually, there was a reunion arranged by, I think, the same 1990 batch in Bangalore.
1990 in Bangalore.
In Bangalore. I think she is getting mixed up Bangalore reunion and Pune reunion.
And Pune reunion, correct.
Maybe.
Richard,
I have been
I have with you all that you all had a reunion in Bahrain and you forgot to invite me. I would have paid my own ticket and come. I was waiting for a chance to come there and come to Bahrain.
Where is Bilquis?
Oh, I'm happy.
Ma'am, you can blame your favorite student for that.
Yeah, that's true. That is very true.
Yeah, you can blame Ajit for that.
He was leading the organizing committee.
You kidding me? Come on, man. Don't do that.
I have photos to prove it also.
I met Preeti and all in Dubai. I think so. Preeti and Taralika also I met.
You had met Mallory.
Carol, of course. Carol and her brother what was his name? Alan. I did not meet after that.
You must have met him
Then
in Thane.
Ajit, I didn't. I was in Dubai, right? But I didn't meet you.
Oh, is it?
So
Oh my God.
only
Okay.
students came to see me. I didn't meet you. I didn't know.
Oh my
you.
God, I didn't know that.
And again, Ajit was in Dubai. He didn't come to see you.
Shame, man.
Prince,
Shame.
this is not
How
the
could you
time
do
to be
this?
rubbing stones, okay?
I have to lower his talk a little bit today.
When I go to Canada, I get many of the students, they come and see me. Last week, they had been on this video. All of them were there.
I was supposed to be on that video, but I couldn't make it last week.
Please visit Neelam when you
Neelam, I
go
met
to
you in
Canada.
Bahrain also. I met you in Bahrain when you had come once.
Yeah. If Neelam had joined, that would be equivalent of 50 students.
Mrs. Sequeira,
And,
I'd like to
Ravi,
share
I
something.
said bye, and
I'd like to
then
share
I'm
something,
following
Mrs. Sequeira.
Pardon?
There was this one time that there was a singing competition at school, and I sang completely out of tune, out of line, completely out. And then you asked the whole school to all those who gathered to clap for me. My wife still suffers my singing because of this. I got so much encouragement. Thank you so
I
much.
remember all of you, all your names I remember. And I don't know, that's something that God has given me. My own children I sometimes forget, but my Indian school family I do. How many years, man? 50 years I completed. No one has completed 50 in Indian school. I completed 50 and then I left.
Wow.
So
great.
I have, that was this thing. I recently talked to Kamalpreet Kaur. I don't know any of you all remember when Kamalpreet Kaur?
Yes.
Mr. Gill was there. When Mr. Gill, he was one of our board members. He passed away last month. So I wanted to, she's in Canada. I don't know. Neelam?
I'm not in touch with her. I am not in touch with her, but I know Mrs. Uma Sharma I'm in touch with constantly.
I met I met like this video, this Manu and Mrs. Sharma on the video last week.
Shivaram Krishna and I meet on the phone in Melbourne. His son and my son are there.
But you are refusing to come to Melbourne when I am there now.
Because you always pulled my leg in Bahrain, so you pulled my leg there as well.
I pulled.
Hey, Siva.
No.
Saudar has let the cat out.
You know, when he met me, he always fought with me for 10 years. Why is Hindi forced in the South? So I said, go and ask the government of India. So when he saw me, I still hold that. Yes. So I asked my children, is Shivaram Krishna coming to Melbourne? Only when he's not there, I'll come.
You ask your son.
Tarini was in touch with me last week.
Yeah, I know. She told me. I met Mr. Rambali Prasad in Melbourne.
Okay.
His daughter is there, Kumudini.
No, I am told his son is doing very well in Delhi. His son is doing very well.
No, son is in Dubai now.
Huh?
Son is in Dubai now.
Top students.
Oh.
She also, the daughter also. How are your sisters, Amir Beg?
Amir, good thing.
How are you?
Give us a quick introduction about yourself, Amir. You came in late.
Yeah, sorry for that. I was known by. Yes, ma'am. Think so. I regret being the mediocre student because teachers might not remember me like as Ajit is famous, you know.
Come on.
So I should have done something for teachers to still remember us.
Either you have to be brilliant or you have to be below average.
Mischievous.
Naughty.
He has to be mischievous.
It also works, sir. Talkative.
Right.
See, one point to remember, students never like physics, chemistry and mathematics. All three of us are here, Amar, Akbar, Anthony. But everyone liked Richard because he used to make them play. We used to ask them questions and they would say, "Arey, हमको Richard के पास चलो खेलेंगे, ये maths, physics, chemistry वाले हमको दीवाना बनाएंगे."
Hey, you include chemistry, not physics.
Yeah, that's it.
लेकिन reunion की क्लास में सबसे ज्यादा आपको याद किया गया था सर.
Right.